planning a long bike trip in Himalayas, make it safer with these perfect riding gears. And when you are riding a motorcycle, it is important to cover every mile with utmost safety and comfort. It is the time riding gears come into the picture. No matter if you are cruising through the city or taking your motorcycle in the Himalayas, it would be wise to invest in good quality riding gear over flashy logos. If you are someone who is planning your first trip in the mountains and is confused about affordable essential riding gear, do not worry, we have got your back. The homegrown bike maker Royal Enfield, which is best known for its motorcycles, offers a wide range of quality riding gear. From helmets to jackets to gloves and pants, the brand has everything under one roof. These safeguards will not just make your riding experience better, but also improve the safety by keeping the comfort and style in check. Scroll down to check the list with the proper price range. First things first, the best quality helmet is non-negotiable. It is the most important part of any ride. It can be considered the head's best friend. Royal Enfield offers a variety of helmets, including full-face, modular, and open-face designs. Among all, the Escapade range is considered one of the hot-selling series in the adventure segment. The model can be purchased under the price tag of 4,500 rupees. It is available at both authorized dealerships and online via residential official website. It is uniquely designed to match your off-road motorcycling adventures, offering a high-impact resistant outer shell with a perfect aerodynamic design. The second and most important gear is a perfect riding jacket. Ari offers a wide range of base layers and jackets, which not only look stylish from the outside but also provide unparalleled protection and utility for off-roading. If you don't want a big hole in your pocket and are looking for something trustworthy, the gravel off-road jacket could be a wise option. It can be purchased under the price tag of 11,000 rupees. It provides flexibility, breathability, and superior protection, ensuring full protection to the shoulders, elbows, back and chest. Many riders underestimate the importance of proper riding pants. But in a crash, the lower body part has the highest possibility of big damage. In this case, choosing the right riding pants becomes super important. Ari has the solution for the same, as it offers gravel trousers CE Class A. It comes with a price tag of Rs7,990. It features Residential Ergo Protect CE Level 2 armor at the knees and XYCE Level 2 hip armor for superior protection. It is designed for comfort with accordion panels and scuba fabric for stretchability. It offers maximum protection to critical areas, such as the knee and hip. Riding gloves aren't just fashion accessories, they play a very important role. It might be small elements during a ride, but they can make a huge difference. Choosing the right pair could be difficult as the market is filled with a lot of expensive options. Under a decent price range of 3,500 rupees, Ari is offering MX Pro gloves. Swipe left for next video, and the pair has been created using durable polyester mesh, genuine leather, and microsuede. These feature TPR protectors, TPU sliders, and a microsuede grip panel. Flexible, breathable, and touch-sensitive, the MX Pro gloves meet CA certified Class L1 KP standards for safety and protection. Latest blogs